Hi there, welcome to English with Shahy, and I'm your teacher Shahy. So last week we looked at phrasal verbs to help you talk about your emotions, and many of you found them helpful, which is a big plus. So today we are going to look at phrasal verbs to help you talk about the weather. So let's get to it. Number one is cloud over. Okay, so if it's going to cloud over, it means it's going to be cloudy. There will be a lot of clouds in the sky. Okay, it's going to cloud over in the afternoon, so it won't be that sunny. Do you get any clouds in your country? You know, in England we have a lot of clouds, and we get a lot of dark clouds also. Okay, so brighten up. Okay, so it's going to be cloudy in the morning, and then it's going to brighten up by the afternoon. This means the sun is going to come out. It's going to become bright, sunny, and warm. Okay, so you might go out like I did with a cardigan on, and then in the afternoon when you're walking down, you might get very hot because it's brightened up. Number three is clear up. Okay, clear up also means to clean up. When the weather clears up, it means it stops being rainy or it stops being cloudy. So for example, it's going to be rainy at night, but by mid-morning it's going to clear up. Okay, so it's going to be clear. The weather's going to be nice. Okay, the next one is warm up. Can you guess what that means? It means it's going to get warmer. A room can warm up, okay, or cool down. A person can warm up or cool down. Oh, I'm feeling really cold. Oh, I've warmed up now. I've had my cup of tea. Okay, so the weather's going to warm up, or this room has warmed up. Cool down, like I said, is when the weather gets colder. Okay, so after warm up, it's cooled down. What happens in autumn? In autumn, the weather cools down. Do you have this season in your country, autumn, where the leaves change color? Then they fall to the ground. Okay, so this is another one. The next one is pick up. Okay, so it means the wind might pick up, the rain might pick up, which means it's not going to come and pick you up, but because it's a phrasal verb, it means it's going to become stronger. The wind will become stronger, okay? So you have to be careful. The wind is going to pick up. It's going to be 50 miles an hour. So be careful when you go out tonight. The rain is going to pick up. There's going to be more rain, okay? If a car picks up speed, it means it goes faster. The wind is not picking up. I can't fly my kite. So it depends how windy you like it to be or how rainy you like it to be. The next one is flood out. You know what a flood is? When there's a lot of rain, it covers everywhere and it even seeps into the home. And this is, you know, the dangers about a flood, that it damages property. So flood out. Many of the houses in the south of England were flooded out because of the heavy rains. Okay, when it rains heavily and people live on low land, they are in danger of their houses getting flooded. And the next one is pour down, or we can say pouring it down. I don't know if you want to go outside right now, but it's pouring it down. So it means the rain is heavy and it's just falling. Have you been in rain like that before? Oh my God, I have, and it's an experience. We have another one which is also related to rain, and it's called downpour. Okay, downpour of rain, which this is not only heavy rain. This is telling you that the heavy rain is going to go on for a certain amount of time. So the downpour might be all night, okay, or for a few days. Does happen in some areas. So there's going to be a downpour for several hours. So if you do go out, be careful. The next one is snowed under. Snowed under is when it snows so much that people can't leave their home. They can't open the door. And another way we use snowed under is if somebody asks you to do something and you're very busy, a can't do it. I'm snowed under from work this week, but I can do it for you next week. So that's it. It's short and sweet today. And if there is a category of phrasal verbs that you would like me to make a video on, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Thank you for the 600 subscribers. I appreciate your support, and I'm here for you, Teacher Shahy, to help you increase your fluency and proficiency. So remember to support me by giving me a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe if you didn't already. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you soon. Take care, stay positive, and bye for now. Bye-bye.